Hey everyone, welcome back. Did the journey mode completely disappear from Vita Mahjong after an update, leaving you with no way to access it? Here's what to do. First, open the App Store and then tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner. Next, pull down to refresh and check if there is another Vita Mahjong update available. Developers sometimes push follow up patches within a few days of an update that caused a feature to disappear, so a second update may restore journey mode directly. Tap update if one shows. After updating, force close the Vita Mahjong app and reopen it. The home screen menu sometimes needs a fresh relaunch to display newly restored sections. If Journey still isn't showing after updating, explore the home screen carefully since updates sometimes move features to a different tab or menu location rather than removing them entirely. If you've tried these and the Journey is genuinely gone, go to the App Store and search for Vita Mahjong support. Tap developer's website link to contact Vita Studio directly since this is known post update issue that they have acknowledged. So all you've got to do is check for a follow-up update, force close and reopen, explore new menu locations, journey off and returns, and that's it. Contact Vita Studio if still missing, subscribe.